because I so much love your craft.
So it is officially my turn to do the Say Yes challenge. I plan on what I wanted to do for today for a couple of weeks now because I really want to take advantage of the situation. So the first thing that I asked Max to do this morning when we woke up is to get a haircut. And he went to get his haircut. So now it's my turn to get my haircut. And then I had big plans for the day. I have very big plans for the day. So here's Max with his new haircut.
Oh, fresh. So short.
I asked him to go really short and he has to say yes.
Unfortunately, I do. I love our new couch. It's like a hugging pillow.
Do you like this one?
The purple, electric purple.
Which one should I do?
You should turn your hair into a Final Fantasy character.
Like this one?
Or this could be cute, maybe.
We just got home for the haircut. This is my new hair. The same old bowl cut like I always get. And this is Max's new hair.
Do you like it?
You look like Toad. That's his name in Mario.
What's next?
Your boy needs to eat. I'm hungry. So you have to make me lunch. You have to say yes.
I said okay.
I want duck confit.
Yeah, don't push your luck. Sausage and rice it is.
That's okay, I'll pretend it's duck confit. This brings me back to the time when I was doing the challenge and you asked me to make you lunch and I made you a whole Indonesian feast.
It's because we're lacking ingredients right now. So maybe dinner later I can make something more fancy. How about I make you okonomiyaki?
How about it's my challenge so I get to pick?
Okay, what do you want to eat tonight?
Okonomiyaki.
Okay, well we're gonna need to gather ingredients for that. You want to go to the Asian market?
How about I make the rules today?
Yeah, okay.
I want to go to the Asian market later.
Sure. Okay, guys. Here, my queen.
I don't want to be called queen.
Here, my emperor. My empress.
Emperor! I don't see Sambo.
Yes, my lord. Samba, my lord. Would you like me to entertain you, my lord?
Stop it. I could get used to this.
Can I take your plate?
Thank you. Thanks. What's that thing called when you eat something after a meal? I'd like that. Woo. Thank you so much.
There you go, my prince.
Let me just have a bite so I can muster up the courage to ask you what I'm going to ask you to do. It's pretty good. So we've been talking about this for a while. This is something that we both have needed for a while, but you just can't seem to settle on which it is that you want, even though we need it. So I'm gonna take the opportunity of this challenge today to ask you, my darling husband, to buy a car. I want you to take us to a dealership and get a car. I know there's one car that you are considering and I think we should just go for it because I think we've just taken way too long to decide. And I'm sick of walking like a peasant.
You want to go today?
I want to go right now, like after this.
Really? We could do that.
We're getting a car!
Well, I don't know if you know, but the process of getting a car is not instantly in a day. So we could go look at it and start the process.
You can't just drive out with a car?
No.
Oh.
Okay, I guess we can make it happen.
Now sit there and watch me finish this apple pie. You want a bite?
Okay, this.
No, I want you to say a poem for me.
I don't know, a poem. I'm not good at that.
Make one. A romantic one.
For you, I would go to the moon and back because I so much love your crack. The end.
I love it. Take care. Alright. Let's go see.
Parce que le prime, il est comme ça.
So yeah, right now for the prime, the wait time is about 2 years. For
Yeah,
the
it's
prime.
really long.
Okay.
So they have an hybrid right now here, and he said also look for a trail. If you order a trail, it could take up to 3 months.
We're finding out right now that the car we wanted has like a 2-year wait list, so we're looking at other options.
C'est sûr et certain que point de vue du véhicule en tant que tel, ben, il va juste se peser sur le frein. Les essuie-glaces chauffants, t'as aussi l'appareil de puis après quand
Okay.
les deux.
I actually really like the blue. My jacket's blue. Max's jacket is blue. You didn't like the blue one?
You like it because it matches your jacket?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to think about it. He's gonna give me some prices for that hybrid that we saw over there, but I think, you know, even if we're interested, we should go and check the other dealership.
This is the most adult thing I've done in 2020.
I'll call my dad.
I feel like an adult. Woo!
Let's go check out their competition just for fun. You like the finish?
I like the wood.
The difference between this car and the other one is like this one is also your seat is also electric. You can move it. On the other car you can.
Right.
There's more storage, I noticed also ish.
So which one do you like?
You're gonna save. Let's say you make 20,000 kilometer per year. You might save $1,000 in gas, something like that.
This challenge is a lot more complicated than I thought it was gonna be.
You thought we were gonna walk in and leave with a car.
I thought, yeah. I thought they'd be like, okay, deal, handshake.
It's a big decision, babes. We have to think about pros and cons and everything.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, I'm oily.
Third stop.
Yeah, let's go. Check if they have something interesting. It's a smaller SUV, but full electric. Only electric. There's no gas.
Take me to the supermarket, please. The Asian supermarket.
Go get food.
Oh, I have a list. I have a shopping list. Eggs, oil, gochujang, kimchi. So tonight I want you to make me okonomiyaki, a Japanese meal.
I should be able to do that. We need to find those ingredients.
How do you pick a good cabbage?
We'll go with that one. How am I supposed to put that in?
You know how to make it good.
Why would you do that to yourself?
We got this guy again.
We liked it from last time.
We like his face.
I like your face. Babe, what are those? Are those magic mushrooms?
Let's get high. It's like we never go to Asian supermarkets, so this is like so fun.
Yay, lots of good stuff.
On kaya spread.
Yay, that's a Singapore thing?
Yeah.
Let's take it. So many snacks. Too many choices.
Do you have all the ingredients for okonomiyaki? Because we're getting so distracted right now.
Basically for okonomiyaki you can put whatever toppings you like. So if you want like pork belly, bacon, ham, anything you want. So you choose. Look at all those nuts. They have so many. Look at my salty nuts. Why is that guy everywhere?
I want you to do that pose.
Like that?
tired. There are groceries to be unpacked. I'm hungry. Can you feed me apple pie?
Did you apple pie? Here's the apple pie.
Okay, let's unpack.
It's my childhood biscuit. Childhood. Give me my okonomiyaki, please. I'm hungry.
Okay, babe.
Can you kiss my head and tell me I'm a good boy?
You're a good boy.
I know.
It's a bit looby. You want to touch?
Alright, we need to shred it really, really thin.
Can you sing me a song about mixing?
I like mixing. My voice is like. I like mixing. Ooh, like mixing.
Can you move your tit muscle?
Ooh, like mixing.
Looks like a butt.
It's flattened out about 2 centimeters thick.
Thinly sliced pork.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell sound.
I want you to flip it.
Okay, I'll try it.
Snowman is all around the town.
Like a pro.
We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before. As they walk
Alright, ta-da!
house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. We're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down and follow Rudolph all across the town. Play with me under
So
the
good.
mistletoe while
This is so
Santa's
good.
busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly. Christmas cake.
Yeah, here we go.
fine.
Anything else I can do for you? It's warmed up.
Good. Pine kimchi.
Is it weird?
How do you want me to pose? Like this?
Should be like that.
Like this? Like this?
I'm done. Big reveal. Ta-da!
I love it.
It's you. Do you really? Because your reaction was a bit underwhelming.
I don't think it physically looks like me, but I think you really captured my personality.
I capture your essence in there.
Max, come do push-ups.
Do I have to?
Yes. We still have 10 minutes until the challenge is over. This will be the last one.
Okay.
I'm gonna sit on you.
Really?
Sitting the entire. You tell me go.
Go.
Oh. Ow, tired. Ow, that's my skin. Ow. You're getting like that.
Good job. Max, can you get me biscuit the one we bought yesterday at the Asian market? The raisin one.
Yes, master.
Keep coming.
The time is up. I'm off to play video games.
I'm free at last.